So Mikey wants to take a quick tour here through the garden. He wants to do his searching, so he's waiting to be left in. So he's already gone through the cold season stuff, and this is his thing that he likes to do. He likes to go through the garden and search. And he says there's something in there, and he's all happy. Getting some powdery mildew on the pumpkins because it's getting late in the season, and with the rain and the cooler temperatures, it's trying to powdery mildew on us here. Pumpkins over there are getting done. We took some more off today. So he's in with the crookneck pumpkins there.
Mickey looking for voles, aren't you? And mice and whatever else might be in there, right?
So he tells us when something's in here, if it's a bunny or a vole or a mole or something like that. So last night it was like 37 degrees and pretty cold out. So fall is coming, and he's enjoying that patch over there. So you can see our pumpkins here. We have the Dutch heirloom neck pumpkins, and then we have our winter luxury pie pumpkin. And the winter luxury pie pumpkin, another one's over there. We did just harvest some more today. The zucchinis are done, the squash are done. We still have some green beans and wax beans going, and some asparagus beans. And some red beets are still going in this part of the garden. So we took all the onions out. We have a little bit of dill still going. The Brussels sprouts have Brussels sprouts hanging on them. The corn stalks are ready to be taken down and bundled for fall displays. Our tomatoes are still going. They're winding down a lot. They're not producing as much. Now the ones in the greenhouse are still going like crazy. These are a bunch of tomatoes here. They came up on their own. We're making ketchup out of them. We'll make ketchup. And these tomatoes here made 18 pints of ketchup already. And there's still more to harvest, and they're still going. So let's see what Mikey's doing. Did you find something, sweeties?
They're about done, so they ain't gonna do any more anyway.
Yeah, these are about done, so he's not gonna hurt them. We have more 30-degree temperatures coming, so it's they're winding down here. He's insistent that there is something in there. And what happens, grass is good to put down in like your gardens and stuff, but the moles and the voles and mice go under it, and then they can cause havoc. Yes, they can, in your gardens. So while he's still doing his checking, we'll see what else is going on in the garden out here. So our cauliflower here is getting its second heads of cauliflower on. And I have videos on my channel for how we harvest our cauliflower and give second cauliflowers off then. So our cabbage is getting its second heads here, and these here are still getting their first ones. We didn't harvest them off yet. And our broccoli is coming back with broccoli heads. Here you can see one right here. Go. And here's a nice one here for a second head. There's some other ones over here. And this is the Smart Snack hybrid broccoli here. We have Brussels sprouts hanging on. Here you can see the Brussels sprouts there. Now these won't be picked until after a frost. And you can see some of the tomatoes back here. So Mikey finished his searching, and we're going to go in and have our supper. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all the times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!